There's a storm moving through the state this morning. Any chance of seeing more snow?
It looks like most of the activity has now moved off to the south of Albuquerque and also into eastern New Mexico, but we continue with winter weather advisories for the areas shaded in light blue until 5 o'clock tonight. Also a winter storm warning for the Sacramento Mountains and parts of the Gila. Now, most of the snow is falling around the Sacramento Mountains and places like Alamogordo. Earlier this morning, if you're up between 3:30 and 4:30 this morning, you may have looked out the window and saw a little bit of snow falling in parts of the metro, especially in the heights and the foothills, but most of the activity here in Albuquerque is now long gone and has pushed off to the east and to the southeast. Still some snow falling along the East Mountains, making for some tough travel along Interstate 40 near Tijeras. Then around Socorro, we are dealing with some rain along Interstate 25, and then to the east of Socorro and eastern Socorro County, a heavier band of snow showers getting ready to move into the Sacramento Mountains. So Ruidoso, watch out for another round of snow. And then around Alamogordo and Cloudcroft this morning, dealing with some more snow in the mountains. And then in eastern New Mexico, it's kind of been a mixed bag, seeing a little bit of rain around Clovis and Portales. Now that rain has changed over to snow for folks in Grady and Tucumcari, so we'll see that snow continue to push to the north and to the northeast. Most of the activity will eventually move into Texas and Oklahoma, but we still have that winter weather advisory in place for northeastern New Mexico for that chance to pick up about 1 to 3 inches of snow and spots. Now, the core of the storm is getting ready to move into Texas. Basically, it's sitting around Roswell and Carlsbad. Behind it, we're dealing with colder temperatures and also just enough moisture and energy in place to spark a few light spotty snow showers around southern Colorado, the Four Corners. So if you live in Farmington, Gallup, and Grants, later on this morning into the early afternoon hours, you'll have a chance to pick up a little bit of light snow. Here's a look at Cloudcroft this morning. You can see the snow on the roadways and also on the cars. More continuing to fall at this hour. And as the sun continues to come up, you can see visibility is reduced in the mountains there as more snow is falling around the Sacramentos. Not only are we dealing with cold temperatures, the snow and the rain, but yes, the winds will be cranking up later on today. And they're already sustained at 25 miles per hour in Las Cruces, 20-mile-per-hour wind in Deming. So we do have wind advisories in place for the area shaded in yellow until 8 o'clock tonight. That's for winds gusting up to 45 to 50 miles per hour. Temperatures right now in the middle teens and Taos, really cold there at 16, 25 in Las Vegas. The warmer the further south you get, lower 40s in Carlsbad, 38 degrees in Roswell, 27 degrees in Ruidoso. So it is rather cold in the Sacramentos to support more snow this morning into the early afternoon hours. Now here's a larger view of our storm system moving into Texas right now. A lot of moisture in place in Texas and Oklahoma. On the back side of this system, we still have enough energy and moisture to spark some leftover snow showers around the Four Corners. So that's what we'll be dealing with for the northern mountains and northwestern New Mexico. So it will be rather cold out there today, a lot colder than it was yesterday. Then on Sunday, we'll start to dry things out and clear things out, but northwesterly flow will keep the cold air in place, not only for Sunday, but also on Monday. On Monday, we'll see a lot more sunshine, but temperatures will be pretty much seasonal for this time of the year before rising above average by Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. In southern Colorado for today, we'll continue with a chance for some more snow, temperatures hovering around freezing. Middle 20s in Alamosa, a chance for a little bit more snow on Sunday, otherwise dry conditions for Monday and Tuesday, and a slight chance for some snow on Christmas Day. Into Farmington, you'll be in the upper 30s, also 37 degrees in Gallup and Grants. A chance for a little bit of snow, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds, and dry conditions for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures back into the middle 40s by Christmas Eve. Into the southwest, we'll be in the 40s to near 50 degrees, a chance for a little bit of leftover snow. Otherwise, drying things out. Winds will be picking up, especially for folks in Deming and Las Cruces, as we have that wind advisory in place for gusts up to 45 miles per hour. In the southeast, we'll have some strong winds here. Winds out of the west at 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour, and a chance for some more snow, especially early on. And then into the northeast, the snow chance will continue, about 1 to 3 inches in spots with temperatures in the 30s and the 40s. Over to the northern mountains, a chance for some light snow for today. Then we'll stay dry for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures back into the middle 40s by Christmas Eve in Santa Fe. Into the East Mountains, you'll be in the middle 30s to near 40 degrees. Rather windy, winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour. And then in the metro, a chance for a light snow shower, otherwise dry conditions. Temperatures on the chillier side for today with winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour. And then we'll be hovering around 50 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday. Winter officially begins shortly after 10 o'clock this morning. Not feeling or looking like winter as we head into the Christmas holiday.
Well, Chris,